Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to give you just a little bit of a sneak peek of our September kit. This kit is going to be awesome. I can tell you that up front. I absolutely love the papers, I love the colors, I love the stamp set. I don't think there's anything about this kit that I don't love. Melina helped me put this kit together. She helped choose some of the pieces, and we got some different things that we haven't had in our kits before, so I think you're going to be really excited. Now don't worry if you've never used some of these products before, because we're going to show you step by step detailed instructions on how to use everything, so don't worry about that. Plus, as always, we're going to have at least a couple of different tutorials for you with PDFs, templates, written instructions, the whole 9 yards, so that you know you can do the projects that we do. All right, let's get right into it. Of course, you're going to have our signature. I guess this is going to be our signature since it's in every kit. We absolutely love these zipper pouches, and it seems like everybody else does too. They're waterproof. They're a mesh, so you know they hold up. They're really strong. They're zipper. And you can store all kinds of goodness in these pouches. So first off, you get your pouch, of course. And then we're going to jump right into the paper. Look at this paper. This is Fall Market. I love it. Now, I used to say I was never a fall person, but I don't know, since it has been so hot this summer, you know, we've had over 100-degree temperatures here in the South, and since it has been so hot and I just cannot handle the heat, I am looking forward to fall. And I love these colors that they're putting together in the fall collections. The burnt oranges and the light teals, they look wonderful together. I would have never put those two colors together, but they look great. So this is from Cartabella Fall Market. You get the whole 6x6 paper pad. So here is the papers. I'm going to show you through here. I love that one with the little acorns on it. And I've already got mine out. I've started trying to create some projects with it, so I'm excited. Isn't that cute? Look at that. You've got the little wagon and the red truck, the pumpkins, all kinds of things on here. And the stamp set, I don't have it right here today because it's on its way in shipment from May, but I'm going to include a picture right here of the stamp set. You're going to love it too. Okay, then here's this one. That's so cute. More pumpkins. I love that light teal in that pumpkin. Like I said, I would have never put those colors together, but when they put them together on paper, it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's this one. And I love this little wagon. I will tell you, I give you just a little bit of a hint. This little cart right here, or this little crate right here, and this little wagon right here, maybe a couple of the projects that we're coming up with. So make sure that you stay tuned for those. Isn't that cute? And look at this wood grain. Gorgeous. And then that one is upside down, but let's turn it around. Look at that. It's so cute. All right, and then you have these cutouts. And there's the little bicycle made for two. If you saw a project yesterday that I did, a card, I used that on the card yesterday. I just had to use it. I loved that. And then here's more of the little red wagons, teal wagons. And then that one. That's pretty together. So you know what kind of decor I'm going to have for fall. I'm going to have some teal and these browns on there. Since I love teal, I want to put some of these browns with it like they have on here. I think it's going to be gorgeous. And look at that. Beautiful. And then this is starting over. So it looks like you get 24 sheets, And I'm thinking there's 2 of each style in here. Now I've got one trying to come out. These come out very easy. You know, some of the 6x6 pads, you have to really tear them, and I'm always afraid I'm going to tear the paper. These pop out easy. If you just fold the page all the way back, it pops right out. So, all right, that is that. And then, of course, you get some bling. And the bling is the Fall Market bling. And it's in the orange and the kind of deep burgundy, the cream color, the tan, and then a green on there. Then you get some chipboard pieces. We've not had chipboard pieces in our collections before, but we're going to put these in this one. Now, let me tell you this. I'm showing you the whole sheet. We've got more of these ordered. They didn't send me enough. We have more of these ordered, but I'm not sure that they're going to get here, and not sure that they're even going to have them. They're trying to get them from the supplier. But if they don't, you may get a half of one of these sheets if I have to. I'm not sure I'll even have to do that. I may have enough for everybody to get a full sheet, but this is a big sheet of chipboard pieces. So even if you get a half, you're still going to have lots and lots. This one has... Let's see if I know how many. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has almost 60 pieces. So even if you get half a sheet, you're going to get at least 30 pieces of these sticker chipboards. So that's going to be great. But hopefully they'll get here and I can send you a whole sheet. All right. Then you're going to get some Wow embossing powder. This is the metallic gold, super fine. And like I said, if you've never used embossing powder, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to use this and show you how to make things absolutely gorgeous with this. And this right here will last you for a long, long time. This is something that you'll be able to add to your stash, because I've had one of these for probably 3 years and I use it quite a bit and I've never run out as of yet. Then, of course, since you're going to get that, you have to have some Versamark ink. What this is the ink that it's the clear ink that you put on your stamp set to stamp it down and then use your embossing powder on. So we wasn't sure that everybody would have this Versamark, so we're going to send you some Versamark. And this little stamp pad right here will last you a while, believe me. As long as you close it up, it'll last. 'Cause I use one of those all the time. Then we have some ribbon, and this is some satin ribbon. And this is the 3/8 inch, so it'll be easy to make bows out of or whatever. And it's in the orange that's in the collection, and then the tan that's in that collection as well. Flip it over so you can see it. So you'll get a yard of each one of those. And the reason I'm pulling it over like this is because I've got the complete rolls that you can see over here to the side. So you get a yard of each one of those. Let me see if I can get this back up so I can show you some more. Now, I'm not showing you everything, so don't get excited. There are going to be a few surprises. All right. And then your paper is going to be a cream colored, which is the cream colored in the background of the collection, and the orange that's in the collection. So that's going to be your papers. They're a good quality. This is the, if I'm not mistaken, what is this? This is the basil? Yes, this is the basil. I love basil paper. It's nice and thick. It doesn't crack. It cuts really easy. So you're going to get 6 pieces, I think it is, of that. So let's put that like that so you can see it. And then here is one of the packets of surprises. So there's going to be some surprises down in here, and I can't show you everything, but I can just tell you there's some good surprises down in here, and there's more to be added. So you're going to get a packet of surprises. And then, of course, like I said, the stamp set. And then there's another little packet of surprises that you'll be getting from me, but I'm not going to show you that one at all because I'm afraid you'd be able to guess what's in there. All right, guys, that is our September kit, or part of it anyway. If you want one of these and you're not already signed up for the e-club kit, remember that everybody that's in the e-club kit gets 20% off of everything that's in our store, excluding the clearance items, of course, and any kits. But if you are in the kit club and you need some you know, art glitter glue, ATG tape, score tape, whatever, you can go over there and purchase it and use a code that you get specifically when you're a Kit Club member and get 20% off of everything. So you have lots of perks when you're in the Kit Club. Plus, we have challenges each month over there in the group where you can win. If you win the challenge, if your name is drawn, you can win your kit, your next month kit, for free. So we have lots of different perks and lots of different things going on over there. So make sure that you go over there and join if you are already in the E-Club. And if you purchase an E-Club kit, then make sure to go over there and join. Like I said, that link will be below. It's where we post all the projects, all the videos, all that kind of stuff, because they are exclusive to you guys that are members. Okay, I will have that link directly below as well. So you can go over there, and in that group, anything that we get new, like we have some brand new Christmas papers coming up that should be here by the end of the week or the first of next week, you will get first dibs at those papers. So we post them on there first and then let you guys choose if you want them. If you do, you get to choose them first. Then we post them live. And then also we post up a add-on kit each month. The add-on kit for September has already gone up. It's in the store. I will link it below. You get first dibs at that add-on kit as well, and it ships with your kit, so there's no extra shipping charges. All right, guys, that is it. Like I said, if you want one of these kits or want to join our club, make sure you click that link below, and we will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.